A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are good at home. So, as per discussion in the last lecture, we have studied about chapter 5. Chapter 5 was related to internet search. Now, in today's session, we are going to start with chapter 6 and we will finish this chapter in this video only. Might be video should be little bit lengthy, but we are going to finish this chapter. So, be attentive, my grade. So chapter 6, that is email. Email everybody knows, electronic mailing system. That will help to transfer your mails from one user to another user. But now the question arises, why we will use mail? Why can't we do the manual? The reason behind is that email is a medium that will help to fast transmission of data, that will help to send the information without using the paper. So it's a paperless communication, it's a secure communication, it's a faster communication. So in this session we are going to start with the importance of email. So which type of importance email is having? Email is having first importance, that is faster, mass mailing, record keeping and growth. So how these points are justified? Email is the fastest way. Within few seconds you can transfer a file from one user account to another user account. But for sending the file you should have a specific user account. In this account you will log in first, then you will be able to transfer the file. So it's a faster way to transfer the data. Second is mass mailing. We can send a bulk of mail to a number of users in one click. Suppose we want to transfer the same data, same file to 50 users or 100 users. So it's a best communication way to transfer the mail to similar users on same time, on single click. We need not to type again and again. Record keeping. Email provides a major advantage. It provides a record keeping feature. If any user will deny to accept the mail, you can show the proof. It provides the authenticity of a document. Your document is sent on which date, at which time, on which user account, and the person has received or not. Because if data is transferred, if your mail is transferred, it will move to sent item. If your data is not transferred, in that case it will go to the outbox till the time it is not being transferred. So you will be able to know your mail is transferred or some technical issues there. And growth, it provides a growth prospect for a organization. Whenever an organization will receive the information on right time with a proper mailing system, with a faster communication, a organization will be able to take the decision on a faster way. So it's a best way to transfer the content with a faster speed, and it will help to take decisions on right time. So these are some features of sending the mail, and it's a paperless communication, that is paper saving communication. Next is email services. Email provides a number of services. For providing those such type of services, we need the service provider who will provide the service. So in email, a number of companies are providing the email services. Some famous companies that we are going to discuss in this session, that is Gmail, that is Outlook or Yahoo. Gmail is the product of Google, Yahoo itself a company, while Outlook is a product of Microsoft. So which types of features are provided in email system by these companies, as we are going to discuss now? Gmail. Gmail provides the functionality to transfer data up to 25 MB in one mail. We can transfer data up to 25 MB in one mail, and 15 GB data storage it provides for your account. You can store up to 15 GB data on your account. It uses the HTTPS. Because we are transferring mail, we need a protocol, we need a service. For transferring the mail, we are using HTTPS. It means you can send your information in a secure way. S represents the security. Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Your information will be secure. Money transfer. In India, this feature is not available, but in some countries, it also provides the functionality to transfer the money by a specific user mail ID. So it's a money transfer feature having. Many people are using this mailing system for your personal mail. They want to share some personal information. So it's the best way to transfer the mailing system. And other apps, it also supports a multiple types of app. When you go to the right corner of your Gmail account, a list of apps will be available, like it provides YouTube, Google Classroom. It provides many types of apps like related to chatting, related to sharing, related to multimedia. These all apps are supported by your Gmail. Now come to the Outlook. Recently I told Outlook is a product of Microsoft, so it's provide the functionality of Microsoft integration. Whenever you're taking the product of Microsoft, like you are taking Windows from market, so with original software of Windows you need not to take separate, because for accessing the original software of Windows you need a specific user account, and it will provide the functionality to create your user account. Afterward you will be able to install the original software in your computer system. It will provide the functionality to access the software. Unlimited storage. There is no limit, because in Microsoft one feature is there along with Windows, that is OneDrive. OneDrive is not fixed. By default it is provided a free space, but afterward we can buy a number of TB, MB, GB or PB space. Whatever space is requirement, it is not bounded to the limit. Unlimited storage we can perform. Next is Skype Messenger. It also includes the functionality of Skype Messenger. You can use the messenger for chatting purpose. Organization level, generally a large number of companies are using the original software. So this type of services are used by a large number of organizations. It's a organization level service. It is not a single user level service. Next is Yahoo. Yahoo provides 1 TB free space for your account. You can store up to 1 TB data on your Yahoo account. Second feature, Yahoo also provides the functionality of Yahoo Messenger. Antivirus system is there. It is best working on antivirus enabled services. It is protecting your account, and it uses the functions of POP and IMAP. POP means Post Office Protocol. IMAP means Internet Message Access Protocol. It provides a set of rules that are used to send or receive the mail from specific user account. Now, which type of services are provided? Services related to email are opening and mail, composing and mail, sending the mail, sending mail with attachment, formatting, email actions, digital signatures. These such types of services are performed by the email. So we are going to discuss in detail these all services. First point, how to open an account. I am taking the account of Gmail. How to open an account in Gmail? So first you need to open the browser. After opening the browser can be like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, any browser you can use, and in that browser you will open the Gmail page, that is gmail.com. After opening gmail.com, you have to create your account, so you will click on sign up. If you are already existing user, then you will move to the sign in option. So you will select sign up option. After sign up option, a detailed form will be available. In that you will fill your name, date of birth, father name, security question, your profession. So you will fill all the detail related to you. Afterwards, when you click on next button, next or continue option will be there. After clicking on next button, a welcome screen will be appear. That is the related to Gmail account. It means your account has been created. Now you are able to transfer the mails from that such account. By default, Gmail transfer 3 types of mail. That is for your welcome. It means you are the part of Gmail account now. After opening an account, how to transfer a mail, how to send a mail. For sending a mail, we are having the option of compose. So how to composing a mail? We will click on compose option. Compose option is available on the left corner of your screen. Just let me to make the one small figure here. Suppose we are having this screen. On this screen, this area is occupied for different features. Here, compose is written. Here, inbox, outbox, sent mail, receive mail. These options are given. This side your picture is there. From there you can do sign out. So what happens whenever you're composing a mail? You need to click on compose option. When you click on compose, a window will be appear in compose. In that window, what you need to enter? You will enter the address to whom you are sending the mail. So after clicking on compose button, enter the address. Address can be entered by three options. It can be to CC and BCC. To means you can direct any general user address to whom you want to send. CC will provide the functionality to send the mail with a carbon copy. It means whatsoever address you are putting in CC, that address will be treated as a carbon copy of same mail. And BCC will provide the functionality to create blind carbon copy. Blind mean to say which address you are writing in BCC that you can hide from everyone that person has not received the mail. Like I have also discussed the example, like the director of school is also receiving the mail. So director address will be hidden from students and head of department. In that case, BCC option is used for director mail ID. After writing the address, you will write the subject. The purpose of writing the mail, why you are writing the mail, what is the reason, that is subject. After writing subject, you will write the content in detail, whatsoever you want to write. And at last, you will click on send option. So after clicking on send option, your mail will do processing for 5 to 10 seconds. And if the mail is transferred properly, then message will come on your screen. The message has been sent and the same mail will be moved to your sent item option. And if the mail is under process, it is not transferred till now, it will move into the outbox option. Till the time it is not being transferred, it is under process. Or if you have cancelled the mail, in between that mail will go to the draft option. Afterward, sending mail with attachment. So this process will be same. Just you have to add one more process. When you click on compose button, a paper clip icon will be there at bottom. A paper click icon will be there at bottom. You will click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, it will ask for file. Which file you want to attach. So you will browse the file from your computer system or from your mobile. And after attaching the file, you select the option open and you will send. It is the additional feature if you want to send the file with attachment. It means you just want to send the mail with attachment. Next option is how to formatting on email. Email provide the formatting features like MS Word. All the features related to MS Word are available in email also. Like we can perform bold, italic, underline, font size, type, color, indent spacing, bullets and numbering. All such type of formatting we can perform in email text also. It is depending upon user how much attractive message you want to transfer. Next is email action. Email can perform multiple type of action. All such option under this area. All such option under this area are the actions like inbox, outbox, send, draft, trash, start and spam. Inbox is for receiving all mail. Outbox is for under processing mail which you have sent but it is not transferred till now. Send option will be active, that will contain a list which mails you have already transferred, which has been already received by the receiver. Draft will contain the list of mails that you have cancelled in between, that is under process, it is not performed fully from sender side. Trash will contain the list of all mails that are deleted from your account. First it will go to trash option, afterward after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. And start mail, start will contain a list of mails that are unreadable, you will read in future, that are start mail. It means you need to read but right now you are busy, that's why you are not reading. And spam mails are those mails which user account you have already blocked. It means spam contains a list of mails that are unwanted or unuseful for a user account. You can block the user by spam option. Now next topic is related to actions. Which action we can perform and mail like after receiving. So next topic we are continuing now. Now next topic is which types of actions are taken by a user. It means user action on a mail. Which type of actions can be taken on a mail after receiving? A user can take the action of reading, replying, forwarding, printing, and finally deleting the mail. So which types of mails are being read? Generally what happens when you are receiving any mail, that mail will move into inbox. You will receive the mail in inbox. And how you get to know it is new mail? Like you are receiving mail from ABC. So what will happen? Which mail you are receiving new, that mail will be bold, that is separate from other mail. It will be bold in your account. It means any mail that is in inbox folder that is bold in your account, that is unreadable mail. It means you have not read this mail. It was unread mail. You need to read the mail. So you can find out the mail by selecting the bold mail. Afterward you can read it, you can start it, you can transfer to any other account also. So first concept is to read the mail. You can read the mail by just clicking on the mail. You will click on that mail and then mail will be opened. And afterward you will start reading the content. This is the step to read the mail. Next is reply. After receiving mail, which reply you can take? You can give reply to a single person who has transferred, or you can reply to all. Reply to all. Like take one example, suppose A has transferred mail to 100 users and you are user B. You are user B. So you can reply to A. It means B can reply to A also and it can reply to all 100 users also. If you are opting the option of B to A, it means you are giving reply to only one user that has sent. And if you want to reply to all, then we will select the option of reply to all. All 100 users will receive the reply. Next is forwarding. After opening the mail, it means when you open the mail for reading, you can perform the action of forwarding the mail. Forward means to say transferring it to the third person. Like you have received the mail from B user. B has received the mail from A. Now B can transfer the mail to C. Here B is the receiver. B will receive the mail from A. After receiving mail from A, B has received the mail from A. After receiving from A, same mail can be transferred to the anybody else person. That is the concept of forwarding. Printing, you can take the printout of your complete mail. And printing action is performed on your full screen. Either your Gmail icon is there, all options will be present. So you can take out the printout same mail from your account. This is also the option that is available in your mailing account. Next is deleting. If you want to delete some mail, you are having the option of delete the mail. Like this is the screen. On here you are saving the mail in this box. You can delete the mail after reading or before reading. If you don't want to read the mail, just select the mails which you want to delete and here delete option is there. Delete icon is there. Just click on that icon. All mails will be deleted. Otherwise, first you will open the mail. After opening the mail, you can select the option of delete. After opening, you can delete one mail in one time. But before reading, it means before opening, you can delete multiple mails in one time. Because as upside one option is there, select all. If you tick here, all mails will be selected on the same page and you can delete on same time. So this is the option related to deleting. Next topic, that is adding a digital signature. Digital signature will help to provide security to your mail ID. It means a person who will receive the mail from your user account, a person will get to know this mail is sent by so and so user. User is actual. It is not a fraud mail. It is not a hacker mail. So to add the digital signature, we need to select the setting option. Setting icon is there on right corner of your account. Here setting option is there. You have to select the setting option. After selecting setting option, you will opt for signature option. And after clicking on signature option, you will type your signatures, whatever you want to type. And after typing, you will save the digital signature. So four options are there. Go to setting, select signature, type the signature and save the signature. Next is how to create the labels. Basically, labels are created for managing your account, for archiving your mails. You can bifurcate your mails, like all mails related to your physics notes can be kept in one folder. All mails related to chemistry can be kept in one folder. These types of concept can be followed by using the concept of creating labels. For creating the label, you will click on create new label option. Now problem is there, where this option is there? This option is available just below the all folders. It is the last option. You will go to label option. In label option, you will click on create new label option and you will type the name of label and click on create. So new folder will be created. Now you can transfer any mail in this specific folder. You can bifurcate your all mails. You can manage your account. So after completion of this topic, your chapter 6 is getting finished. If you are facing any problem in any topic, you can send your query on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 You can send me your query on my WhatsApp number. You will get the reply after some time. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.